everybody, and welcome back to our video series on building digital experiences. It's just so important that everybody can build the best digital experience that they can. So we want to make sure that the considerations that we use at Flywheel are shared with as many people as possible. We've got a white paper. You can click the link to download that and get all the details. But we're going to touch today on just one of the criteria that we mentioned in that resource, which is the importance of having just a reliable digital experience platform. And that can mean all kinds of things. But what does it mean to you, Stephen, to have a reliable?
So as someone who is definitely a platform nerd, I'm somebody,
really?
Yes, I love reviewing platforms, love looking at, every week I pick one and I just kind of go down the aisle. And what I'll say in terms of reliability today, if you're really, really looking for reliability, the number one is TrueCloud. For me, TrueCloud just happens to be the number one reliability because it's having people who understand the platform, understand their hosting model, whether it's on AWS, Google, Azure, it doesn't matter.
Right.
But they're in charge of making sure that your uptime hits those 4 nines if it's really important for you. So the reliability of a true cloud platform trumps everything else on the market. So I'll just put it there.
I think that's a really good point. I think it comes with a caveat, which is what I'm talking about also what we're talking about also in the white paper, because I think if you would agree with me that also means just inherently it comes with a better support model.
Correct.
It comes with better data integrity.
Yep.
And we talked in our last video about scalability as well. So I think reliability is absolutely about the uptime, but it's also about making sure that if you do run into any challenges, you can quickly resolve them, that there's a proven track record. And so I would say just be wary, I guess, about sort of the latest trendy platform that's just trying to sell you the cloud. Like, look for a product, a platform that's been around for a while, perhaps has introduced a cloud model and isn't, there's some great brand new cloud platforms, but just scratch below the surface. Make sure these aren't like sort of flash in the pan, fly by night, selling you the buzz.
Yeah. And I'm going to put a caveat there because I'm somebody who's definitely more technical than most people out there. And I'm somebody who looks at platforms all the time. So when I see true cloud platforms, they're new. This is like the last 5 years. There are like Salesforce has been a true cloud platform for years, but I'm saying in our space, digital experience, a lot of times moving all of your digital experience onto a true cloud platform, that's new.
Right.
And that comes with a loaded amount of cost.
Yeah.
And it's not meant for everyone.
That's a good point.
So the other piece of reliability then with the product that you're selecting, I'm going to also put that into the support model. It's how quickly, like you said, you're going to get supported.
And there's lots of hybrid models here. I mean, we support and provide managed service for the websites that we build and host. Some of them are cloud, some of them we have our own environment. Just make sure that no matter what the approach, the model, the economics are for you, that you have a way to support your infrastructure so that your business isn't interrupted.
Yeah, and most customers are going to have an implementation company come in and help them, and then as well as the vendor.
Right.
So if you can have an agreement with both, so that there's a fail-safe, because with us, any vendor that we're working with, if we don't have an answer,
that's right,
we're going to get it in an hour.
Yeah, we have tight relationships.
Exactly. So that type of support is what you're looking for from a customer. If you're evaluating the solution, you want to see how well that vendor's being realized
we bring the weight of having many clients on certain platforms, and so the vendors then give us a little bit more attention than you might individually, but there's a model out there for everybody.
So and that's basically what I look at for reliability.
Yeah, that's great. Well, thanks for tuning in. Reliability, that's an important consideration in your digital experience platform. Thanks, everybody.
Take care.